In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the snake clamps as a soldering aid. They're not always necessary, but sometimes you get a motor wire that just won't stay in place, and you really need something to help hold it there. So these are snake clamps, which are a special kind of third hand tool. There are a variety of different third hand tools. I like these because they are posable and they are pretty durable. So it's pretty much a little alligator clip. And what I'm going to do is put the wire in place and grab it with the snake clamp and kind of just between the tweezers and the snake clamp I can kind of get the motor wire to stay where I want it without needing my hands. Then once it's in place, I can solder just like I did before. So I'm going to heat up the joint. Slipped out because I didn't quite get in there. That third hand. Posed. Back and heat up the joint and apply a bit of solder. One thing you'd like to be careful about while soldering is not to contact the transmission or the gears with the soldering iron. The soldering iron is hot enough to melt the gears or deform them. As long as it doesn't actually hit the gears, then you won't have a functional problem, but it would create a weird, ugly, melty spot. So I'm going to inspect this and see that you have a nice secure joint. You can pull on it. It's put the red wire in the correct orientation for this joint. And I'm going to repeat this process with the blue wire, again using the snake clamp as a third hand. So that job's complete. I'll remove my snake clamp and pull on the wires. Everything looks secure. I have the correct orientation. Overall, I find that I rarely need the snake clamp, but every once in a while it's useful to have. I would suggest providing them for the whoever's doing the soldering, but encouraging them, if possible, to avoid using it because it does slow things down.